So quick video today on 6G, scientific notation using significant figures. So the key ideas for this video: significant figures are counted from left to right, starting at the first non-zero digit. Zeros with no non-zero digit on their right are not counted. So let's have a look at what this means. If we look at 38,041, this has 5 significant figures because 3 and 8 are 2, 0 is 3, 4 and 1 will make 5. 0.0016, this will have 2 significant figures, just the 1 and the 6. 3.21 times 10 to the 4, this will have 3 significant figures, the 3, the 2 and the 1. When using scientific notation, the first significant figure sits to the left of the decimal point. Depending on the calculator that you have, calculators can be used to work with scientific notation, so it will either be E, EE, EXP, or 10 to the X. These are common key names on calculators. So if you have a calculator on you, a scientific one, press 2.37, EE, followed by 5, which will give you 2.37 times 10 to the 5, or 2.37 e to the 5, which means 2.37 times 10 to the power of 5. Alright, let's go through a couple of quick examples. State the number of significant figures in these numbers. So for A, 4,174, this will have a total of 4 significant figures. For B, 0.0103, this will have a total of 1, 2, and 3 significant figures. So 3. And for example C, 5.81 times 10 to the 4, this will have a total of 1, 2, and 3 significant figures. Okay, so let's put these ideas together. In this example, write these numbers using scientific notation and 2 significant figures. So for A, we need to make sure that 487,130 is first converted into scientific notation. So from the video prior, you would remember that scientific notation, it's normally with a decimal and followed by 10 to the power of something. So we need 2 significant figures. So ask yourself 487,000 to get the first 2 significant figures would be the 4 and the 8. Now if you look at the 7, that's going to be higher than 5, so you need to round up. So this becomes 4.9. Now ask yourself, how many decimal spots are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this becomes 4.9 times 10 to the 5. So is that in scientific notation? Yes. Do we have 2 significant figures? Yes. Let's look at example B. So 0.06531. So to 2 decimal, or should I say 2 significant figures, this would be 6.5. 6.5. And ask yourselves, how many times do we need to go across? And that's going to be to the 2. So it's going to be 6.5 times 10 to the negative 2. Remember, if you're not sure, you can double check by using this method. If we start at 6.5 and we go 10 to the negative 2, you want to go across 2 times. So your decimal spot lands there. Fill in the gaps with your zeros. So the number is 0.065, which is the same as this, except it's rounded to 2 significant figures. Okay, so that's it for this short video. Hopefully you learned something. I'll see you on the next one.